Visit worldrolodex.com/forextrendy to learn more. The software scans 34 Forex pairs on all time frames from minute to monthly. This way you pick the best trending pair and time frame at the current time. The system is running on our powerful computers, so you have nothing to download and install. Just join in and start using it within a few minutes. Get it on the link below. Do you think that to dramatically improve your success rate you have to read tons of thick books, buy expensive software and spend countless hours of learning more about Forex? What I'm going to share with you is something very easy to use and very powerful at the same time. Let me give you an example. Imagine you trade a system that makes 50% winning trades, but another 50% are losing trades. If you increase your odds of winning by only 20%, that would make 70% winning trades and 30% losing trades. Well, how to accomplish that? Just pick the best trending pair at the current time and simply follow the trend. I have found one incredible tool that continuously scans the Forex market and picks the most reliable trending pairs for you. By taking signals in the direction of a strong trend, you would reduce unnecessary losses and increase the odds of winning. You need to know how well the market is trending to avoid very short-term trends. Stop hunting the market for every potential trade. Pick only the best trending pairs and time frames and do not take any trading signals in the choppy market unless you know exactly what you are doing. Successful traders keep it simple, and this is the way how the pros made fortunes in the markets, by trading less and making more. Drawing trend lines is one of the few easy techniques that really work. Prices respect a trend line, or break through it, resulting in a massive move. Drawing good trend lines is the most rewarding skill. The problem is, as you may have already experienced, too many false breakouts. You see trend lines everywhere, however not all trend lines should be considered. You have to distinguish between strong and weak trend lines. One good guideline is that a strong trend line should have at least 3 touching points. Trend lines with more than 4 touching points are monster trend lines, and you should be always prepared for the massive breakout. This sophisticated software automatically draws only the strongest trend lines and recognizes the most reliable chart patterns formed by trend lines. Chart patterns such as triangles, flags and wedges are price formations that will provide you with consistent profits. Before the age of computing power, the professionals used to analyze every single chart to search for chart patterns. This kind of analysis was very time-consuming, but it was worth it. Have you experienced times when your EA was profitable in trending market and suddenly all the profit was taken back in a series of losses? What is the reason and how to avoid it? Let me explain the basic principle how most Forex systems work. They are tuned up to work in a specific market condition. They often make money in a trending market, but lose money in a choppy market. It is not a problem as long as the market is trending and the system is making more money than it loses. Such a system can be profitable for several months and you would be happy with it. But prepare for the worst. Market change over time. A well-designed system starts with trend analysis to stay away from potentially losing trades. There are 2 problems of how a Forex system recognizes the trend. Problem: false, strong trend indication. The system responds only to immediate price action. An explosive price movement that is usually the result of news release is tempting people to jump in and make a profit. It looks like a strong trend, but what usually happens next is a hard fall. Most systems use various indicators to determine the trend. Actually, there is nothing bad about using indicators. One simply moving average can do the job. The problem comes with the question, is the market trending now? Whether the market is trending or not trending is not like black and white. The correct question is, how well the market is trending? And here we have something called trend reliability. Trends exist and they can be traded up and down for a profit. You have to focus only on the most reliable market trends. Forex Trendy is a software solution to find the best trending currency pairs, time frames and compute the trend reliability for each Forex chart. Here are the answers to the most frequent questions. Q. Which platform to use with this software? You can use any trading platform. Yes, you can use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, TradeStation, NinjaTrader, because the software runs on dedicated computers and you only need a web browser to get the instant result online. Q. How many currency pairs does Forex Trendy scan? It scans 34 Forex pairs on 9 time frames from 1 minute to monthly. Together 34 pairs x 9 time frames equals 306 charts. Q. What method is used to determine the trend? The trend reliability is determined by the trend drawdown, a method that uses no indicators, but pure price action. This method is explained in the ebook you will get in the subscription. Q. Which configuration do I need? Use the latest version of any major web browser, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, Opera. Q. Does it work on mobile devices? Yes, it has been tested on several mobile devices and browsers. P.S. I have heard that their computers are operating at their limits to satisfy a large number of customers. It means that they are going to increase the price or switch to monthly pricing, so hurry up. Visit worldrolodex.com/forextrendy to learn more.